The Computer Science and Engineering Department here at South Dakota School of Mines and Technology delves into a wide range of cutting-edge fields. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, mechatronics, drone swarms, and virtual and augmented reality. It's some pretty cool stuff. We're going to start off by heading into the robotics lab. Hi, Callie.
Hi.
Would you mind telling us just a little bit more about the robotics lab?
Yeah. So this is where we build and maintain our robots, like this hexapod robot. It's also where the unmanned aerial systems team and robotics team meet. We develop autonomous drones, wheeled vehicles, and walking robots. And we practice mechatronics, which is the intersection of skills in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and computer science. We're building a bright future for our robot overlords.
Hey Callie, robot overlords need your approval.
We're going to head down the hallway to our 3D print lab next. Thanks a lot, Callie. Ouch. You never know what you're going to run into in the basement.
Hey.
Hey, you guys study for the exam?
Yeah, yep.
Hey! Right over into here. Hey guys.
Hi, what's up?
Would you mind telling us a little bit more about the 3D print lab?
Oh, no problem. So, this is the 3D printing lab, and as the name suggests, it actually, we do a lot of 3D printing here. And we learn about all kinds of the different materials we use, we learn about how 3D printers work, how they're made, and like all kinds of future applications and such. And, you know, speaking of robot overlords, you see, future generations can actually be saved if we...
Next, we're going to go ahead and move into... that lab is undergoing a little bit of maintenance. We're gonna check back in later, maybe. And here, finally, our virtual and augmented reality lab. Let's head on in. Whoa. Welcome to the virtual and augmented reality lab. Hey, Jocelyn.
Hey, Haley. Check out this new headset we got.
Don't mind if I do. Adrian?
Oh, hey Haley, how's it going?
Pretty good. You mind telling us a little bit about the lab?
Yeah, absolutely. So here at the School of Mines, we're on the cutting edge for software and hardware development when it comes to VR and augmented reality. Now, VR is the user being completely immersed into a virtual environment, like I am with this gear. Augmented reality is when you introduce 3D objects into the environment that the user's already in. Kind of like Pokemon Go. Yeah, it's actually a lot of fun if you want to give it a shot.
Maybe later.
Well, we'll be here.
Students studying computer science and computer engineering at Mines get access to the latest in robotics, 3D printing, virtual and augmented reality, cybersecurity, and so much more. And our graduates generally tend to get a placement rate of around 100%, with a starting salary around $70,000. Make sure to come and check out computer science and computer engineering at the South Dakota School of Mines and Technology. It's the Overlord